Hey everybody, Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan. And my master plan today is to show you how to use Smart Connect with a Moto G Stylus 5G 2024. If you're not familiar with this phone, it's a really good mid-range phone. I recommend using a mid-range phone today. I really don't think that we need to spend all that money on a super expensive cell phone in this day and age because the mid-range phones do so much. And Motorola put a lot into this software that actually runs terrific. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you all about it. Okay, to set this up, we're going to go ahead and go to Google search, type in Smart Connect. You're going to get it through the Play Store from Microsoft on your Windows 11 or 10 machine, and you're just going to go ahead and install it. It's really that simple. As you can see here, I've downloaded it and I'm running the install to go ahead and get it installed onto my PC. After that, it's going to show up in your start menu where you're going to go ahead and be able to click on it and open it up, and you're going to get a screen like this that's going to get you started on the startup with it. Now, allowing public network visibility, that is something I allowed because I'm at home on my local network. It doesn't matter at all, so I'm not worried. I'm connecting to my PC that's at home, like hardwired to my network, which is fairly safe with my new router and my security from pfSense installed. So I'm going through the setup process here, as you can see, and the connectivity permissions. Again, I'm setting those so that it'll be able to see it, and everything will connect up and work perfectly fine with this setup. Now all that's left is to go ahead and plug your cell phone in, and you're going to plug the USB-C connector in, click the Smart Connect option when it pops up on the screen, and it's going to say connecting. And once it's fully connected, you're going to get another message on the screen to connect to the desktop above you, because you could have multiple desktops that you're doing this with. And then you're going to get the information on the phone showing you the different options that you get, as well as on the computer screen like we see here. Now let me show you what this can do. First of all, let's just share a program off of the phone. We're going to go ahead and open up a bowling game and just show you that, hey, I can open this bowling game and I can play it on my PC without having to play it on the phone, but the phone's plugged in and we are sharing the game over the phone. Now this is just one of the features. You have to then, it's going to say connection request. You have to accept that on the phone. Sync device wallpaper, that's, optional. What you would like to do with that. Now let's go ahead and get into the bowling game. Let's go ahead and open it up, and let's go ahead and pick a game, and we'll get started playing this game, and hopefully I win. Let me see what I can do with this. I've never played it on the PC before, so this will be a little bit of a new experience, so we'll find out what happens with me here. I might lose a bunch of money, but I got a lot of money in this game. So I've been playing this game for years. I don't have too much of a worry that I'm going to lose, to be honest about it here. But yeah, I got a ham bone at the end. Messed up on the first bowl, but my score wasn't really terrific, but it was good enough to win. So yeah, I got the win on that one. And if you like this type of stuff, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel down below for me, would you? Now let's get into some other stuff you can do with this. What we've got right here is some other things it can do. This is the mobile desktop, where you can actually open up a virtual mobile desktop from your cell phone, and it's going to show you apps available like a web browser and the ability to actually share files and so on, how to get around, etc., etc. It's giving you some information there. So this is just going to give you a quick overview of what this looks like. This isn't an in-depth tutorial. This is just to get you started, and then you can start playing around with things. So this actually can do quite a few things on this desktop. I'm just opening a couple of things that are on the desktop already. You can also open your other apps you've got on your phone on this desktop and use it kind of like Windows. So a lot of people like that feature. That's similar to what Dex does, and so this is a very similar type of environment. So if you want to use your phone on a big screen, this is definitely something that's capable. You can do this with Miracast as well, wirelessly on a lot of smart TVs, just to let you know. So moving on with the other capabilities here, plugged into my PC, it's actually got, let's see, phone to PC. You can open up a virtual phone on your PC where you'll actually see your cell phone virtually on your PC screen. This is kind of a nice feature. Slide up to unlock and allow while I use the app for that purpose. This will allow you to see the phone and just use it just like if the phone was right there in front of you, but on your actually on your computer screen. So if you have multiple screens that you're using while you're like I do, I got 3 screens hooked up, you could actually put your phone, you know, over on another screen to use it, which would be, you know, pretty useful at certain times, you know, to make use of all the features that your phone has without having to go pick your phone up and look at it. Now here I opened up an app off of my phone, Flip. I'm looking through the sales in my city, you know, checking out what groceries are on sale so I can get the best deals on some food. That's a nice thing you could do. If you're like me, you got to put on some reading glasses to see your phone really well, and this way I can put it on a big screen and see it a little bit easier, maybe to use some of those apps. Kind of a nice feature. Okay, so some other features that this has is the ability for you to do video calls, use the you can actually use the camera off the phone as a webcam. So there I am using it as a webcam, showing you that, hey, you can use your phone's camera as a webcam if you want to make video calls with your phone through your PC and use your phone's camera as an actual webcam. That's kind of a nice feature. If you don't have a webcam and don't own one, you can make your phone into one. So that's nice. And then some of these other features are just more options for you to transfer, share files, copy files, and sync files between the 2 devices. A lot of nice features there if you're syncing files between your phone and your PC regularly. I do with a lot of videos off my phone, so that's kind of a neat feature that it has. I can just plug it in and connect it, and then I already know that it's going to sync that stuff. Drag and drop to add content right there. You can see if you want to do that type of stuff. So that's pretty cool stuff right there. So I want to thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down below what you enjoyed about it, if this type of stuff is interesting to you. If I did something wrong or misspoke in some way on one of these features, also let me know down below so I can try to clear that up in the future and do better videos. Anything I can do better is greatly appreciated from the audience to let me know so that I can try to increase the quality of videos for you all. You all have a wonderful day, and this was Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan, and I hopefully my master plan was to give you some good information about these Moto phones that you can use to help you in your everyday productivity in life, plugging into your computer and using the phone to its fullest capability. I know a lot of people have these phones and they know nothing about some of these capabilities that the phone can do. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later. Bye-bye.